Isn't that nice? It's always good to see somebody's garbage bags floating out in the water. Only a trashy person would do that. Alright, sorry about complaining first thing on the video. Please hit that thumbs up button. I need that like. I don't know what it does, but I guess when you guys hit the likes, it makes the videos easier to find. It puts it on other people's panels so they can have a chance to see my videos. And it pays me about 0.00008 cents. That's a lot of zeros. YouTube does not pay me well, so don't ever think that I'm making money shooting these videos. The camera costs more than I'll make. And it is a SENA 10C Evo version 2. And I like it. It's a good camera. Shameless plug for SENA. SENA, you can send me a camera if you want. I gotta have more than one coming. I've been sitting on this bike for about 2 hours now. And stuck in construction traffic in a construction zone, sitting at a red light behind a guy on a Harley with cords showing. I had to tell him. But I'm ready for a break, and I'm hungry. Usually I stop at the corn dog store, but I did not this morning. Since it's a Monday, the chance of me seeing somebody I know at the corn dog store is pretty slim. Had a little bit of dirt in that corner. The traffic has pretty much been like this all day today. and it is getting warm. I started out this morning at 71. It's got to be about 80 by now. When I'm riding and sweating, that's when you know it's warm. But the temperature gauge, I just looked down, it says it's 75. I don't even keep my house at 75. Whoop-de-doo. Whoop, whoop. There is just nobody out here. I don't know why you guys don't come to visit. For the gas station. Because 2 hours of riding depletes a gas tank. Fuel cap dumpsters. And there's the store. There it is. World famous.